Got that new MacBook on the way, that M3 on the way. Got me some new speakers. Some vocal speakers or focal. What y'all know about that? Converted over to the dark side, man. PJ said I'm on the dark side now. I got a MacBook coming. No more gaming computers, man. MacBook. Daddy. MacBook, it is. Glowed up on you niggas, man. Stop playing. Only way to go is to the top, baby. Mama wants the phone, man. Halloween cook-ups today, though. We're doing Halloween cook-ups, man. You dig? So once she finished with the phone, you know, once the fam finished with the phone, once I finish with the fam, I'm gonna get back up here and cook up, man. Let y'all see what type of time I'm on, man. Check your boy out, man. Ain't y'all proud of me, man? Ain't y'all proud of your boy? Look at me now, man. Used to be drugged out, doped up on the internet, looking crazy, crying about dumb shit. Look at me now, man. It's only the beginning, man. This only beginning, man. And I ice wifey out. I ain't no selfish nigga. I ice wifey out too, man. She gonna pick her ring up now. Bracelet, stupid. Ain't you proud of your boy? Let's go. Luger in the building. Yeah. Oh, man, bro. This feels good. This feels... Yes. On your phone. All right. I gotta go. I love y'all. Thank you for fucking with me when I was fucking destroying myself. Excuse me, Chloe. Self-destruction. Thank you for being there. Tommy, what's up? Tommy, we need a new photo shoot, man. Check your boy out, man. It's cold in here, man. Bird. We need a new photo shoot, man. Man, yes, I'm crazy, bro. I'm sick. Sick in the head, man. Can I have this, Daddy? Oh, yeah, of course. Popeye's Halloween, man. I want Halloween. I am sick in the head, man. Let me show y'all how sick I am, though. I'm gonna do this, man. This is how sick I am, man. Let me show them how sick I am. Oh! Don't do it, Lex. Don't do them like that, man. The TMO. Don't. What they gonna do now, man? Yeah, what are you doing? Like, I was gonna do the Cuban link, man, but I think I'm gonna just keep this chain and match the bracelet. Like, boom. Just put the TMOG right there. Come on, man. Look, let me show y'all how. Look. Look, I told you, I'm not a selfish nigga. Check me out. Boom. Look at this. We taking over, man. I'm getting them made, man. Manifesting. Let's go. Let's go. Whoever want to be a part of the team, man, you got to earn these. You dig me? I'm going to get out of here because I know y'all can't hit me over my crazy ass kids. But I love y'all. You know what I'm saying? We out of here. Yo.